students, today I am going to start question number 9 of exercise 12.3. Now question number 9 says, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equals to 0. So here we will have to find the value of a. Here the value of this expression is given, which is equals to 5. So we will have to solve this by putting the value of x to get the value of a. So let us write the expression, which is 2x square plus x minus a, and value of this expression is equal to 5. So we'll write equal to 5. Now here value of x is 0. So if you put the value of expression, if you put the value of x which is 0 on this expression, then we'll be getting the value of a. Okay, because if there is two unknown variable, then we cannot get the value of any. So here in this question value of x is given, so we will have to put the value of x here. So putting x is equals to 0. Now if you put the value of x which is 0, then it will become, see, value of the variable will be written within the bracket. So we have put bracket and then we have put 0 here. 0 square plus, again in place of x we'll put 0, minus a is equals to 5. Now 0 square means 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Right? Plus, again here also we have 0. Minus a is equals to 5. So minus a is equals to 5. So minus a can be written as minus 1 into a, because if you multiply this two, you will get minus a, which is equals to 5. Now since we are finding the value of the variable, so a will be alone here and minus 1 should be transferred to another side. So since this is given in multiplication form, after going to another side it will be division. So 5 divided by minus 1 is minus 5. So if you get this type of equation, like when you have the negative sign with the variable, then directly we can transfer the negative sign to another side. Now moving on to the next question. Now question number 10 says, simplify the expression and find its value when a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. So we will have to simplify this expression and then we will have to find the value of a and b. Okay, so here 2 into a square plus ap plus 3 minus ab. So here we can multiply this to monomial with the binomial. So if you multiply 2 into a square, it will become 2a square plus 2 into ab. Now these two terms will remain same. Okay. Now here we can see that these two are like terms. So we can simplify it. So 2a square will remain same. 2ab minus ab will be ab, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will be ab plus 3. So simplification is over as these three are unlike terms. Now we'll be putting the value of a and b, which is 5 and minus 3. Okay. So on this expression 2a square plus ab plus 3. Now 2 into a square, a is 5. So 2 into 5 square plus a is 5 and b is minus 3 plus 3. Now 2 into 5 square, 5 square is 2 into 5 into 5. Now 5 3s are 15, and here we have plus sign, so we have put plus sign, and 5 3s are 15, and with minus 3 minus sign is there, so it's minus 15 plus 3. Now if you multiply this, we'll get 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. Now plus minus minus 15 plus 3. Now these two are having similar signs, so we will calculate these two. So 50 plus 3 is 53 minus 15. So 53 minus 15 is 53 minus 15. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So it will be 3. So it is 38. So value of this expression will be 38. Okay. So this was all about question number 10. Thank you, students.